Hi, what's up, guys? How you doing? Welcome to Tuck Notes Beginner Stock Talk, where you will find the best information, where you will get 10x, 5x, 20x times your money if you buy this, and that. No, I'm just kidding. That's not me. That's the other YouTuber. That's your car salesman YouTuber. That's the guy you want to stay away from. Ooh. ARK Invest just released their daily exchanges and trades. That's something that I subscribe to, and it's free for anyone. And I've told this on some of my videos. It's been honestly, I tell you this because you know I'm being honest, it's been a roadmap for me whenever I struggle and I don't know where to go and my plan falls apart. I go to Kathy Woods and I look at her stocks and what she's having and kind of look at the volume or how much she's buying of each of them, and then just buy one of those shares because I already know that the analysts have approved it and all that stuff. I mean, so we have at our hands free analysts literally doing work for us. The only catch is we get the information one day late. That's the only catch. And you know who got really butthurt about all of this? Jim Cramer. He started talking smack about Kathy Woods and about how, you know, it wasn't cool that she was putting up, you know, what she bought and sold every day and didn't think that that was fair and it was corrupting the market. And you know what? I had a few people say, hey Tuck, you should listen to Jim Cramer sometime, you know? So I did. I listened to him, guy. I even bought a stock that he said to buy. And I lost money. The guy is a salesman. Do not... I've never listened to one video after I've heard the video of him talking smack about Kathy Woods. Honestly, and even, yeah, I'm not going to go off on it, but whatever. I've got ADD, and I went on a tangent right there. We're going back to Tuck Notes, but that is important information to know for you guys. I also do really appreciate it. You guys, I'm sorry my attention's like not here because you know, life's going around. We all have things to do. I have to make salads right now for my cousins are in town. So, but I want to talk about the market today. What the hell happened? Like, I've been studying out of Wyckoff graphs. And all different types of Wyckoff graphs, different shapes. There's all different, like you can type it up and just patterns and Wyckoff patterns, and you'll get a list of so many different styles of this graph and like of the distribution and I think accumulation. And I don't know, I'm gonna find out more. But I've showed you guys on my previous video those two pieces of paper, and it says Wyckoff schematic number 1, distribution events and phases or something like that. So the distribution part, I feel like it's over. And we're in the, what's it called? Distribution and whatever. We're in the other accumulation part. And that's when the stock starts actually hit its last couple, I guess there's like 3 bottoms that it has. I wish there was 4, but maybe there is, but I'm not. With the way that I'm the information I've been given about Tesla, and it's like zone of support before it gets out of its resistant area and goes up the next bump up, is 630 or 640, and today it hit 630. I think it's 640. And if Tesla goes above 640 tomorrow, I would then start buying my shares, because I know that it's gonna go up. Well, I don't want to say that too hard, but based off the pattern, and at 2 o'clock or something, because what historically I've heard from other people too, what Tesla does is in the morning it has this big swing of a high and a low, and then it just kind of, you know, quiggles out, fades out, and it does that like every day, almost. But if you noticed today and on the weekly of Tesla, yeah, I'll make this a short video. The graph is like got a line and then dun dun dun, and then a line and then dun dun dun, or it's going a line, a bar, and then it goes up, and then there's another bar, and then it kind of goes up again, but like not so much. That is what you have to pay attention to, and that's what that's what I have to pay attention to in order to stay on top of it and make sure that, you know, the plan, that the way that it was, plans don't always work out too. All right, so, and you cannot predict the stock market. I've said this and now I'm experiencing it. I feel like we're in the accumulation phase and we're getting close to the support line. I felt was 600. You can, you know, differ or like disagree with me if you want, but that felt like that was the support line for a long time. And you know, it does have a lot of multiple bumps, like even before we had this huge phase, like 600 was the support line, and then it kind of went up and out of control for a little bit. So this week is going to be a very, very interesting week. If certain stocks or cryptocurrencies hit certain points or certain numbers of valuations this week, and you then I'm gonna look at the 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, 4 month, 1 year, and you can see a lot more, even on 1 day's worth. I'm telling you, if you're still watching this video, this is really good top secret information. You can still see it. You can see a much bigger, broader distance, an understanding of what's going on in your stock if you start on the day, and then you go to week, and then you go to month, and then you go to 3 months, and then you go to what, 6 or 1 year, I don't know, but or all, but all is too much, because I think the 3 month really gives you kind of like, especially with Tesla, but it'll give you a good indication of where the pattern is with the Wyckoff, in regards to Wyckoff, because it's there. It's there. It's so easy to see. It's retarded. Not retarded, but it's like blatantly there. So, anyways, if this video is helpful, I hope so. I'm gonna keep making videos, because I try to go online and go live, because I'm really like, you know, interested to see like if there's other people that want to talk, you know, and I have a hard time struggling like making a hey, let's meet at this date and time. And so I really appreciate your following me and supporting me and subscribing. And if you want to check me out on Instagram, I highly recommend it because it's Tucker at Tucker NLO. I have a lot of drops of stock drops and crypto drops that I make there. When I find something significant that happened throughout the day, I put it on my daily charts. And I'm so slowly seeing a few YouTubers starting to follow me because of that, and so that tells me that something helpful happened to them. So I don't know. It's a good feeling. I hope you guys have a great night, and we'll talk tomorrow or maybe later tonight if something else happens. Okay, peace.